As we scroll down, we have the discussion board post. There's going to be 5 discussion board posts that are due for this semester. And since this is a short time, you need to make your first post, and you'll see that when you open the discussion boards, you'll have to answer a question. And try to do that a couple days before it's due. The first one's due on Wednesday, December 21st, so on Monday or Tuesday at the latest, but Monday would be good. Make your first post. That way other students will be able to see that. And then you need to respond to at least 2 other students' answers. So those 2 other answers are due by that due day. So get your first post in early so other students can respond to your post. The group project is a 4-step business plan. You're going to need to meet virtually, and I have instructions on that. And you can click on any of these to get to the project. You have your group and group tools here. You'll see what group you're in. I have groups set up right now so you can see which groups you're in. You can also have some group discussion boards. You can see the group business plan here. It tells you about the group business plan. These 4 areas here, or these few areas here that are in green, is what your paper is going to be about. There's detailed descriptions on that page about your group project that you can read and find out more about your group project. As we scroll on down here, the next area is the web project. The web project is a case study that's in your book, Chapter 7, page 207, about Zappos. If you click on web project, there's also going to be a video there about Zappos that you can watch. But there's some questions in your book that you'll answer about Zappos. Those are on the page 207, Chapter 7 of your textbook. 750 words or more, and you need to have at least 2 other resources besides your textbook. Quizzes, there's 8 quizzes, and those quizzes can be done at any time. There again, you can click on this to get to the quizzes. They're open now, and they will be open throughout the semester, so you can work ahead on those. If you want to finish them up early, that's fine. The exams, there's 4 exams, and as I said earlier, the first one is going to be a take-it-home exam. Exam 1 you can do anytime, and that one is due by the end of the by Monday of the 2nd week. Let's see. So you just click on there to begin. There's no passwords on the ones that you take at home. Exam 2 and 3 will have to be proctored exams. Those will be done at the testing center, and you'll actually have to go into the testing center, and they'll have the passwords there where you can get into the exams. Exam 4 is another take it home, so that's due the last week of the semester. Those you will have to take somewhat in order. You can probably skip ahead to the take it home test. You can do exam 1 a little early if you want. You do exam 4. Testing center will only be open after the first part of January, so you'll have to wait till after that to do exam 2 and 3. Also for the exams, if you look on the menus over here, and all these links are also on these side menus, but you can go over here. There's exam study guides for each one of the exams, exam 1, 2, 3, 4. There's an exam study guide for each of those that talks about the individual questions, gives you a topic of each question, so you'll have something to study from on the exam. So you can take those into the testing center with you. As a matter of fact, when you go to the testing center, you'll be allowed to have your study guide with as many notes on it as you want, and your textbook are the only 2 things that you will be allowed to take into the exam with you. And that's the semester. Like I said, it's a quick moving semester. It's 4 weeks, so it's going to make sure that you keep up with things. Don't get behind, because once you get behind, it's not going to be a whole lot of time to catch up. If you have any questions, you got my contact information up here. You've got the phone number, office number, my email address, and my cell number. If you have any questions, feel free to text or call or email. Have a good semester.